Myself, Dr. Anjali Yadav, History Section, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, BHU. I welcome all my dignitaries and all my resource persons and respected professors and teachers and all my participants and the students. Today, from last 2 days, we are organizing this seminar. Now we are in the last phase of valedictory session, and here now I am going to present you the report of the 2-day seminar. So, history section, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, BHU organized 2-day national seminar on rethinking Dalits' contribution to nation building on 17th and 18th October 2022 in Conference Hall, Science Block, MMB. The seminar focused on the role of Dalits and downtrodden category of the society and their role in nation building. The program started at 10 a.m. with a welcome address by Dr. Saraswati Kumari, the convener of the seminar, and the dignitaries on the dais were Professor Vivek Kumar from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, Professor Vrinda Pranchpe ma'am, Dean of Faculty, Social Science, Professor Keshav Mishra, Head of Department, Faculty of Social Science, BHU, and Dr. Padmini Ravindranath, Economics Section, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, and Professor Inu Mehta, Principal of Mahila Mahavidyalaya. So, seminar started with Mangalacharan and Kulgeet by our students, and the respected dignitaries paid homage to Hamanaji by writing the opening remarks, and concept note of the seminar was given by Sri Y. Srinath Reddy, the organizing secretary of the seminar. He highlighted the Dalits' contribution in nation building and historically how they contributed in various fields of the society development. Further, after Srinath Reddy sir, our principal ma'am Inu Mehta threw light on this topic and welcomed all our dignitaries. Our chief guest, Professor Vivek Kumar, shared his experiences and talked about Dalits and the lower caste people's situation in our country and their role in our nation building, and how Dalit contributed in various fields. He also emphasized that we need to change our mindset toward Dalits and lower caste people. Then we proceed toward our special guest, Professor Vrinda ma'am, who was the Dean of Faculty of Social Sciences. She talked about the Dalit upliftment only with the help of education tool, and she also focuses on women's conditions and their condition in our society. She also remembers Savitribai, Jyotiba Phule and their contribution in the upliftment of downtrodden section of our society. Then our guest of honor, Professor Keshav Mishra, Head of Department History, Faculty of Social Sciences, talked about Birsa Munda and his challenges. And further, our next Padmini ma'am of Economics Department of MMB, she gave the presidential remarks. And after this inaugural session, we took a 5-minute tea break, and after tea break again we joined in our special session which started around 12 noon. And in this session we started with the lecture of Professor Vivek Kumar, who was from JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and he talked about B.R. Ambedkar role in upliftment of lower caste. Further, he said that we have to understand the history of exclusion in rethinking of Dalits' contribution to nation building. Further, he said that nation is a social concept, and he tried to also analyze 3 important concepts for the this variable in the Dalit nation, and the third one is the Dalit and nation building, and he identifies Dalit identity on the 7 most important bases and contributions of Vivek Kumar in his lecture, that he enlightened participants with the concept in light of epistemological and ontological perspective approach very scientific and logical. So our special session has been chaired by Anuradha Singh, the Department of History, Faculty of Social Science, BHU, and she shares her views on the topic how Dalit played role in our nation building. And this particular session was co-chaired by Dr. Sarita Rani. After completing our special session, we took half an hour break, and after break, we again joined at 2:30 p.m. for our next session. So in this session, this particular session was chaired by Professor Nishad Afroz, and Nishad Afroz was basically from psychology section of Mahila Mahavidyalaya and co-chaired by Dr. Anjali Yadav. In this session, there were 3 papers were presented, and the first paper was read by Dr. Sutapa Das of History Department, Faculty of Social Science, and her title of the paper was Understanding Heterogeneity Within Dalits, Rehabilitation of Bengali Nam-Sudra Refugees with the Scheduled Tribes under DDA project at Dandakaran. Next, second paper. Second paper by Dr. Archana, Mahila Mahavidyalaya English section, and her title was Untouchability in Anand's novel Untouchable and its Relevancy Today. And the third paper was read by Amar Rapu, and he talked about Madigas and Bahujan politics. By this 3 papers, we have successfully completed our first day seminar, and then we again met on the second day, that is on 18th October 2022, and on second day seminar started at 9 am, and the first session was chaired by Dr. Jay Singh, Philosophy section, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, and co-chaired by Dr. Soma Datta, Bengali section, Mahila Mahavidyalaya. And in this session, around 7 paper was presented by participants. The first paper was presented by Pawan Kumar, titled राष्ट्र निर्माण में दलित महिलाओं के योगदान पर पुनर्विचार. Second paper by Jitendra Kumar, titled राष्ट्र